Alright, I've lit the barbecue, which in North Wales generally means that it's going to rain. I got my tripod set up, and yes, that is a cast iron pan holding it steady. And over here we have the gorgeous Cath Sparrow and the equally gorgeous My Brother. And just to show you what I've done. Right, these are like chicken shazlik kebabs, and I've marinated the meat in lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, loads of garlic, and they're ready to go. There's a couple of sausages on there, and I've made a couple of homemade burgers, and that's just nicely seasoned ground beef. I've got some slabs of cheese to go with it, and I've also got a salad. So I'm going to put this up on the mount now and photograph the cooking. Okay, what you see on the table is a baby leaf salad, which I've dressed with some spring onions, some mint and basil, and some tomatoes and some cucumber. So that's going to be a nice summery salad ready to go. I've also got that balsamic salad dressing I made in the previous video. I've got some little corn cobbets which I'll barbecue. And in North Wales you get arrested if you don't serve potatoes with everything. So I've got some cold minted new potatoes there ready to go. Right, let's get on with the cooking. The barbecue coals are just about right. I've done them half and half so I can cook on the hot side here and hold it over on the other side. So there we go. I'll get that all set up now. I figure the chicken's going to take the longest to cook, so I'll get those over the coals like that. And I've skewered those, interspersed them with pieces of onion and red pepper, as you see there. I'll put my burgers to one side and wait a little while. So that's starting to look good, isn't it? Already. So that I'll come back to you when we're a little bit more advanced. My brother Richard has stepped up to the mark, and he's now doing the turning. Substitute the sous chef. That's it. The secret of them is just to keep them turning, really. Yeah. I could spread them out a little bit more on the skewers, but I think they'll be alright. By the time everything else is cooked, they'll be grand. Totally Turkish, you know.
Working till 9 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
Can you do a Lincolnshire? A Lancashire accent as well?
I've got a couple of Turkish viewers. They might have a look at that and think, oh yeah, that's kind of familiar. But they probably think I'm destroying it. Well, they're the experts, aren't they, at kebabs and things?
Oh yeah.
Superb Turkish food. I think it's totally underrated. The trouble is, most Brits seem to think it's limited to that stuff when they spew out of the pubs and turn into the kebab shops, and it's not. It's a very rich and varied cuisine. I love Turkish food. Right, I'm feeling a sausage happening, aren't you? Let's get them 3 bangers on there. We didn't go to Bangor today, did we?
No, we didn't get to Bangor.
We went to Conwy, Llanrwst, Conwy, Deganwy, Llandudno, and then along the coastal thing to Colwyn and Old Colwyn. Then we jumped on the A55 and came back. And then on the Abergele Strait, that woman nearly bloody killed us.
Yeah, and the seagull pooed on me. And
oh, he got. I think that. Well, we've come up with the idea that was all about luck. The fact that we saw a black cat in Conwy that crossed our path, and Richard got shit on by a seagull. It did one of those amazing splatter craps, you know, that comes from above.
Yeah, it's all over me and all over the bloody trike and missed you completely.
Some people are just born lucky.
Yeah, so you should go and look at the trike. It's pebble dashed.
Oh dear.
I've got to go and clean it together with all my kit. I've already done my kit.
This is a picture of my brother barbecuing and being indignant at the same time.
Yeah. Well, I don't get shit on by a seagull every day, do I?
No. Careful, this is a family show, Dick. You can't say shit.
Who's done?
Oh shit, I just said shit. There we go. Let's get that. You'll have to adjust where they are because I've got them a bit tighter to the coals now. They need.
Big skewers in this.
They're gorgeous, aren't they? They're proper Turkish ones. They're flat. The flat ones are really good because you can turn.
And it stays too.
Them stupid round ones, you turn your kebab skewer and the
there's
stuff
rolls.
spins on it.
Yeah, it's bloody crackers, isn't it? It's obviously some Brits' idea
Coming
of
on
how
all right, that is.
It's obviously some Brits' idea of what skewers should be like.
Yeah.
No, you know, the Turkish would never have built them like that.
No, because they're clever about their barbecuing.
No, the more experienced, they do it all the time.
Well, yeah. Right, I need to flipperate them sausages.
Do you want me to do them?
I'll flipperate them again. They're starting to do a bit more. They're a little bit more keen to cook now.
Well, they've warmed
Now
up.
they're closest to the coals. Yeah.
They've warmed up a bit.
Right, I think they can sit over the cooler side for a bit.
Okay, I'll let you.
And we'll get them there burgers on, shall we? Right. That really wants to cook fiercely. It's trying hard, isn't it? Let's get them in the middle there. And we'll get these burgerators on.
Some more wanker.
I'm right for a minute.
So many burgers don't stick too bad.
Yeah. Wow. They're rather large.
I mix those with a bit of slap your mama, which has got garlic and salt and black pepper in it. Principally. In fact, I think that's all it's got in it. So we'll get a sear on those and then we'll shift them over to the cooler side. Has anyone done the course on opening needles? Oh yeah, there you go. We got them on. Someone gets a bonus one.
I think that would be Richard.
No, he's on a diet. He's on a diet of sausages and kebabs. I'm on a seafood diet.
Yeah, seafood and you bloody eat it.
That's the best kind of diet there is. The first time I had roast corn was in Notting Hill Carnival in London, yeah.
Never been.
It was awesome. I love roast corn. Yeah, you gotta go. I was walking around, I had a bag of Red Stripe. You know, Tesco bag full of bloody Red Stripe beers. You know me. I used to be rather fond of my beer. Them burgers are shaping up nice, look at them.
Anybody know the stable? Garden. Yeah.
You know, I reckon them burgers are kind of ready for a bit of they're kind of ready for a bit of moving over to the other side. Let's get them on that side. Let me get them out of the way just for a sec.
I tried to show you the extension.
Oh, we'll come around and have a gander at that.
Burgers. If you don't like burgers, you've got to be off your rocker.
I didn't have all.
These are those Heck sausages, Kath. Have you ever had them? The Heck sausages from Co-op?
No.
They're alright, I tell you. They're nice and meaty. I'm not sure what the meat is, but it's certainly very meaty.
Is that corn
Right.
popping?
Yeah, it probably is. I'm going to get some butter on it, butter spray on it. Get in. Okay, everything's coming off the
What's that
barbecue.
alleyway?
Just basically to know where, just makes it a lot more easier.
So you're not storing anything down there, like the bins?
We can do, but we don't. It's got just a load of old junk, really. I just put the
Right,
door
these
on.
are coming
It's
off
got
now.
A dustbin and
And we'll reset up over the table. Oh boy. Grabs.
Thank you. Wow.
oh,
I just managed to burn my brother Richard with his kebab skewer. I had hold of the cold end and he grabbed hold of the warm end. So there's a knack to getting these things off skewers. And what I like to do is put my fork in and pull the skewer back. There you go, look. Start at one end and pull it back. And the chicken meat I've used was thigh meat. Because it's, I like thigh meat, I prefer it, it's more juicy. Do you want some? It'd be nice on your spuds and on you. I'll have 2 little bits of spud, and then afterwards I'll be good. If the spuds are stained slightly green, it's because I've boiled them with a ton of mint. That's really grand. Try this chicken, what's it like?
I haven't got that yet, I'm eating my burger.
Right, we're going to socialise and finish our meal now, so thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.